In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use categories and tags on WordPress.com. Harnessing the power of categories and tags can help you organize your content more effectively, which not only enhances your site's user experience, but also boosts your SEO performance. Let's dive in and see how you can set this up on your WordPress.com site. First, navigate to your web browser and search for WordPress.com. Once you're on the right page, log in with your credentials. After logging in, you'll be directed to your dashboard. This is your site's control center, where you can manage all aspects of your website. From the dashboard, locate the menu on the left side and click on the option labeled Posts. This section will allow you to view, edit, and organize your blog entries. With that open, look for and click on Categories. Categories are broad groupings for your posts, and using them helps organize your content at a high level. In the Categories section, you'll notice a field labeled Name. Here, you can input a new category name that suits the scope of content you plan to group under this label. Be descriptive and specific when choosing a name, as this will help you maintain a logical hierarchy on your site. Next, if you wish, you can select a parent category. This allows you to create subcategories, adding another layer of organization. After that, it's time to add a description. While optional, a well-thought-out description can clarify the purpose of the category for both you and your visitors. Once you've filled out the required fields, simply click on Add Category. And there you have it. Your new category is ready for use. Next, let's move on to tags. Head back to the dashboard by clicking on the WordPress logo or home icon. Once there, return to the Posts section, and this time, click on Tags. Tags are more specific identifiers you can use to organize your content across multiple categories. They serve as keywords that help readers find similar content across different categories. Under the Tags section, you'll see fields similar to categories. Start by clicking on Name and typing in a relevant tag for your content. Like with categories, you can also add a description here. Descriptions for tags are often overlooked, but they can give you useful metadata for your posts, aiding in both user interaction and SEO ranking. Once you're satisfied with your tag name and description, click Add Tag. With both categories and tags set up, you can now apply them to any post or content you create. This strategic organization will not only make it easier for users to navigate your site, but it will also boost how search engines interpret your blog's structure. Thanks for joining me today, and I hope these steps help you effectively organize your WordPress content. Happy blogging!